In news overseas, airports, theme parks and resorts shut down in Florida as a powerful hurricane hit the U.S. state. Meanwhile, a U.S. company conducts a test flight of the world's first fully electric cargo plane. These and other developments across the seas in tonight's Foreign News Roundup by Meg Luna.
Hurricane Ian made landfall in southwest Florida as a Category 4 storm, unleashing heavy rains and strong winds. More than 2 million residents were ordered to evacuate their homes as popular theme parks and resorts shut down. Thousands of flights were also canceled. Weather forecasters said the hurricane came close to the threshold of a Category 5. Protesters clashed with security forces in Baghdad, Iraq, in conjunction with the alleged fraud in the just concluded elections. Supporters of Shiite cleric Muqtada al-Sadr threw stones at security forces outside the high-security green zone. 2 were reported dead while dozens suffered injuries. Meanwhile, a test flight of the world's first electric plane developed by a company in the U.S. was a success. The battery-powered plane Alice flew at an altitude of 3,500 feet for 8 minutes in central Washington state. The company is aiming to deliver passengers and cargo via electric planes by 2027. Meg Luna for The Nation.